time. Oh, that's pretty. Somebody wave it for Mr. Chris Hall.